Next time you're hot and bothered, overheated, stressed, stay cool with the Cool Touch Ice Towel from Creative Products. This revolutionary new material chills in seconds. It's amazing. Watch this. We put hot water on ice towel. Now, watch the digital thermometer. Shake ice towel for a few seconds. Already the temperature has dropped a little more. That's incredible. After just 30 seconds, ice towel is icy to the touch. Stay cool wherever you are. When out walking and cycling, ice towel keeps you cool. No more feeling overheated at work. Ice towel makes the day bearable. When playing sports, heat exhaustion can seriously harm your health. Use ice towel to keep a safe temperature when the going gets hot. Long, sunny car journeys can make tempers flare. Ice towel makes sure you keep your cool. Avoid heat stroke when holidaying in the sun. Ice towel lets you stay cool on the beach. Remember, ice towel always feels chilled as long as it's wet or damp. So when it dries, simply wet again. It doesn't matter if the water is warm. Ice towel re-chills in no time. Ice towel soothes when you're hot and flushed. Can help reduce temperatures when feeling ill. Heat exhaustion can be harmful for both young and old. Ice towel soothes and cools. Let's not forget man's best friend. Why not buy two? One for you and one for your pet. Keep one handy every time you travel. They're light and take up no space. Make sure you stay perfectly chilled with Ice Towel from Creative Products. Take yours to the checkout now.